So we're Cole and Sarah, obviously. I work from home for a medical sales company.
And I'm an Air Force veteran. I just separated from the U.S. Air Force as a captain last November. And now I'm working as a defense contractor for Marine Corps Air Station Beaufort.
We recently just moved to Savannah here, our soul city, Sarah's soul city. I'm just along for the ride, and it turns out to be my soul city as well. We actually found you guys through our best friends, Leanne and Alan, who did their ring through you guys. And we just thought it was like the coolest thing. I still think it's the coolest thing. Every time I see it, I'm like, man, that ring is so cool.
And it's such a smart concept too, because like you can take, you know, family heirlooms and then turn that into something new and unique for the groom, and something that they can tell that story based on their ring to our kids or next generations. And it's just an awesome concept.
Yeah, because we're both getting married. It is all about you, but I want like a little bit of it. I guess the largest part of the ring would be the leather from the bullwhip, which my dad created, and I mean from A to Z. You know, he tanned the leather, you know, braided the whip, and it was always something that my brother and I, growing up on our ranch, were like so enamored with. We also used my mom's horseshoe that she received as a gift. It's you know, the upside down horseshoe hanging over the door. It's the luck of the Irish thing. So that was really important because that's been hanging up in her house for almost 30 years. And then the part that kind of symbolizes us is the bar that my dad, my brother, and I made out of the barn from the ranch that I grew up on. And it's the bar that we both worked at where we met. And it kind of solidified our friendship before our relationship fully started. You know, that's a lot of good memories back there, a lot of really dumb stuff that I did that she laughed at. Because it was so special, we really wanted to do the ring reveal in Wright Square where I proposed, and she said yes.
It just makes sense. That's where I saw my ring for the first time, so why can't he see his ring for the first time in the same spot? And it's just a very special place for us now in Savannah.
Yeah.
Cole, will you marry me?
Yes, of course.
So
this
good.
Is gorgeous. I love it. I mean, the ring really means, it's got a part of every bit of my family in it. I mean, it's got my dad, my mom, my brother, her parents, my dad's parents. It's just really, really special. It's just really exciting to think that I'm gonna be with this person forever.